So, good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to take up our next class, or you can say second class on final account of sole proprietorship with adjustment. Today we are going to discuss about few selected adjustment entries and how the general entry is passed on the adjustment entries. Okay, we'll see that. So here is the question: make the necessary adjustment entries as on 31st of March 2016. So, what is given here? The first entry is outstanding expenses. What is the expenses? Wages of 6,000 and rent of 4,500, right? So, this is our adjustment entry we are going to make on wages and rent, which are outstanding. Now, we know the entry, the base entry for outstanding expenses. What is that? Outstanding expenses account debit to the outstanding expenses. Sorry, expenses account debit to the outstanding expenses, right? Expenses account debit to the outstanding expenses. This is the entry. So what will happen with wages? Wages outstanding and rent outstanding, right? So how we are going to put it? First of all, it will be expenses account debit. That means wages account debit 6,000, rent account debit 4,500. To outstanding expenses account. That is outstanding wage to outstanding wages 6,000, to outstanding rent 4,500. Right. So the general entry will be like this: wages account debit 6,000, rent account debit 4,500, two outstanding account, outstanding rent account 6,000, two outstanding, so two outstanding wages account 6,000, two outstanding rent account 4,500. Why this entry is like this? Because of the reason that what we can see in the entry, there are two items. One, the outstanding expenses, which is called representative personal account. And I have already told you, representative personal account, we are going to use the asset liability rule. If it is asset, it will be debited. If it is liability, it will be credited. So both outstanding wages and outstanding rent are liabilities. So that is why it will be showing in the credit side, isn't it? Liability will be credit. So that is why outstanding wages and outstanding rent is credit. And what are the other items? The other item will be the expense, that is wages and the rent itself. So wages and rent both are nominal account. So we know the rule for nominal account: all losses and expenses will be debit, all gains and income will be credit. So wages and rent both are expenses. Okay, so both are expenses, so both will be debited. Nominal account, expenses will be debited. So that is why wages account debit, rent account debit, to outstanding wages account, to outstanding rent account. This is the concept. Clear? Now let's see the next one. Prepaid expenses. What was the prepaid expense? The insurance, it is 6,000 per annum, paid on 1st of July 2015 for 1 year. Our year ending, see, it is told that the year ending is 31st of March 2016, isn't it? 31st of March 2016. So let me tell you when it has started. I'm just showing you the working note here. So insurance paid for 1 year. How much is paid? Just check once. It is 6,000 rupees, right? 6,000 rupees has been paid on 1st July 2015. How come 1 year? Per annum is mentioned, as well as 1 year is also mentioned. If the word 1 year is not there, doesn't matter. Per annum is there, that is enough. Okay. On 1st July 2015, it was paid, right? So how much? 6,000 rupees was paid for 1 year. And when it was paid? On 1st of July, 1st July 2015, isn't it? This is when it is paid. And what is our year? What is our financial year? It is ending on 31st of March, right? It is ending on 31st of March 2016. That means it started on, when did it start? It started on, just a minute. Yeah. It started on 1st of April, isn't it? It started on 1st of April 2015 and ends on 31st of March 2016. So this is the time period. So now what will happen here is that this 1st July 2015, the insurance that was paid on 1st July 2015, it will end on 30th June 2016, right? 30th June. This will end on 30th June 2016. ठीक है, 2016 में खत्म होगा. So now what is happening here is that what is happening here is that how many months extra is there? How many months extra? We are preparing our accounts on 31st March 2016 and we have paid the insurance up to 30th June 2016. So March तक हम लोग पकड़ेंगे. So March के बाद क्या था? April, May, June, 3 महीना extra, right? So what is the prepaid? The prepaid insurance, it is how many? For 3 months, right? It is for 3 months. For 3 months, isn't it? 3 महीने के लिए. तो 3 महीने के लिए कितना होगा? ₹6,000 हो गया पूरे साल का, isn't it? So just divide it by 12, or you can say like this, for 3 months, so it will be 3 divided by 12, isn't it? तो कितना हो जाता है 3 महीने के लिए? It will be 5 3 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees is the prepaid insurance, isn't it? So now what will be the journal entry? See, prepaid insurance is also a representative personal account, right? So representative personal account, prepaid insurance is a representative personal account. And here it is our asset or liability? It is our asset. Why? Because we have paid the insurance before time. So we have right on that. We have right on that. So it is our asset. So prepaid insurance is an asset. So it will be debit. Clear? And what will be credit? What we are going to decrease? It is the insurance which will decrease. So that is why prepaid insurance account debit to insurance account. So the entry will be like this: prepaid insurance account debit 1,500, and we are decreasing our insurance. Earlier, which was all the expenses are showing debit. So here also it was earlier debit. Now we are going to decrease it. So prepaid insurance account debit 1,500, and we are decreasing the expenses by crediting it. So to insurance account 1,500, right? हर डेबिट आइटम को कमाने के लिए क्रेडिट करते हैं. तो इंश्योरेंस पहले डेबिट था, हम लोगों ने 6,000 दे दिया था, डेबिट कर दिया था 6,000, लेकिन एक्चुअली तो 6,000 नहीं हुआ ना. कितना हुआ? 4,500. 500 1,500 तो नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए है. तो इसी के लिए इंश्योरेंस कमाया हम लोगों ने. कैसे कमाएंगे? क्रेडिट करके. टू इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट 1,500. So general entry will be prepaid insurance account debit to insurance account 1,500. Coming to the next one, accrued income. Just now, just in the previous video also we saw that accrued income means any income which we are supposed to receive but we have not received, right? So that is also representative personal account. What is the item? Accrued income include commission 1,500 and interest 900 rupees. So what will happen here? Accrued commission and accrued interest both are representative personal account. And what is the meaning of that? We are supposed to receive but we have not received. Okay, so that means it is our asset. So asset will be debit. तो क्या होगा? Accrued commission account debit, accrued interest account debit, दोनों हमारा asset है, asset debit हो जाएगा, right? To the income, है ना? जनरल एंट्री क्या होगा? टू इनकम, क्योंकि कमीशन और इंटरेस्ट दोनों ही नॉमिनल अकाउंट है. और नॉमिनल अकाउंट का रूल क्या बोलता है? डेबिट ऑल लॉसेस एक्सपेंसेस, क्रेडिट ऑल गेन्स एंड इनकम. सो कमीशन एंड इंटरेस्ट दोनों ही इनकम है, इसीलिए इसको क्रेडिट करेंगे. जनरल एंट्री हो जाएगा एक्रूड कमीशन अकाउंट डेबिट. Okay, accrued commission account debit 1,500, interest account debit 900 rupees, accrued interest account debit 900 rupees, to commission account 1,500, to interest account 900 rupees. ये देखो जनरल एंट्री ऐसे आता है. accrued commission account debit 1,500, accrued interest account debit 900, to commission account 1,500, to interest account 900 rupees. ठीक है, 900 rupees. So ऐसे होता है. नरेशन क्या होगा? being accrued interest और accrued you can write being in accrued commission and accrued interest recorded, or you can just write down being accrued income recorded. Both are correct. Okay, now coming to the last one, that is income received in advance. कितना हम लोगों को इनकम रिसीव हुआ एडवांस में? अप्रेंटिसशिप प्रीमियम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस 12,560. apprenticeship premium is the amount of money we get when we provide training to someone. Okay, so how much we have received? 12,560, but it is received in advance. तो देखो, received in advance मतलब टाइम से पहले मिल गया. If you receive any income before the time, so that will be called as your liability. ठीक है, वो तुम्हारा अभी अधिकार नहीं हुआ है, टाइम से पहले मिल गया ना, तो that is your liability. So what will happen? Income received in advance, it will be our liability. So it is also a representative personal account, not settled, right? Income received, but it is, the work has not been done. Since we can say that since it is in advance, so the work has not been done. So what will happen? Income received in advance. Once this income received in advance, it will be shown as a liability. So accrued representative personal account, it will be a liability, and liability will show credit balance, right? It will be showing a credit balance. So एक हो गया, right? पहला वाला हो गया. Now दूसरा वाला क्या बोल के दिया? One side is done, it will be showing credit, and other side what is it? What it is? Apprenticeship premium. So item खुद अपने आप में आएगा. So apprenticeship premium account debit to apprenticeship premium received in advance account 12,560, right? So it is apprenticeship premium account debit 12,560 rupees to apprenticeship premium received in advance account 12,560. यहाँ पे apprenticeship premium को डेबिट इसलिए किया गया है क्योंकि पहले जब रिसीव हुआ तो हमारा इनकम रहता है, ठीक है, तो क्रेडिट में था, लेकिन एक्चुअली में इनकम अभी तक नहीं हुआ है, इसी के लिए उसको कमा रहे हैं हम लोग, तो क्रेडिट को कमाने के लिए डेबिट किया है, इसी के लिए apprenticeship premium account डेबिट हो जाएगा 12,560 रुपीज, और apprenticeship premium received in advance हमारा लाइबिलिटी है, इसी के लिए क्रेडिट में है 12,560 रुपीज. जर्नल एंट्री ऐसे हो रहा है, apprenticeship premium account debit 12,560 rupees to apprenticeship premium received in advance account 12,560 rupees, being apprenticeship premium received in advance. Yeah. I hope all of you have understood this chapter, this particular question. Okay, and all of you are asked to make the notes of all these things so that we can have proper verification of all the classes that has been done. Okay. All those who have not recorded it, please make a proper recording of all these things. And we'll meet in the next video with the next sum, which will be again a complete sum on final account of sole proprietorship with adjustment. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your parents, take care of your studies. We'll meet again. Bye bye.